Hey, my name's Jared. I'm here to show you my project. This is the Wibic Mark III. Wibic stands for Why Because I Can. Third revision. It's gone through a lot of updates over the years. Wibic was an electric wheelchair. Original joystick is right back here. Still operational. You see it kind of twitching a little bit there. I have bypassed X and Y with this source switch up front. Right now I have it switched to the joystick. If I switch it over to Arduino, it'll then be getting signal from the Arduino right here mounted inside this project box. The Arduino only has one input coming in, and it is a wireless Nintendo Wii nunchuck. Here's the transmitter, here's the receiver. It's wired in with a 4-wire system. The 4-wire system, it gets packets of information from the Wii nunchuck, and it translates X and Y position, the button positions of C and Z, and the X, Y, Z of the accelerometer with inside. Controls the joystick. I'm going to flip it over to Arduino real quick. I got my X and Y, the joystick, goes all around pretty fast, and this is the slowest motion I have it on right now. It's in other drives, it's insanely unmanageable fast. C button, that raises it up, and C button raises it down, lowers it down. Depending on, and C and Z controls 4 separate systems, depending on which switch is enabled on the side here. We got 4 separate systems. These enable or disable one of the 4 electrical systems on top. And they're basically, so I got the Nerf Vulcan, obviously. This system runs at 12 volts. Normally runs at 6, so it cycles twice as fast. Doesn't shoot further, but it does cycle a lot faster than it did out of the box. Second is a water cannon. So I modded a little squirt gun nozzle right to the front, and then I got a gallon of water stored in this gas tank on the side, and the water is pumped by dual windshield washer pumps running at 12 volt on the side there. Third system is a ridiculously bright LED light bar across the front. That was supposed to light a waterfall at one point. It doesn't do that anymore. Then the last system, of course, last but not least, is a 12 volt Radio Shack bell hidden underneath for noise. I can turn that on really quick since that would be kind of cool. So bell's on. Now if I hit both triggers, it twerps. It's cool. So yeah, that's the whole project. Everything lit up. Pretty neat. I can turn it all off or have just the bell on, depending on which one of these switches is on or off. Last system that I'm using a lot, I'm using everything out of the Wii nunchuck, even the accelerometer. I'm not using the accelerometer like you would normally in a video game. So I got the XYZ of the accelerometer and the joystick. XYZ are controlling 2 RGB LEDs in this acrylic next to the gas tank. You might not be able to see them, but as you move the joystick around, you see it maybe a little bit. They kind of lighten up right here. Anyways, yeah. So as you're moving the accelerometers, kind of as you're passively kind of just controlling the whole little tank here, those lights will change colors. More of a proof of concept just to see how it works, and it's pretty neat. So that's my Wibic Mark III. My name's Jared. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the fair.